Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please do not skip the video if you don't understand the language. Their subtitles will be coming. You can see please fully and subscribe please. This comes the Realme Narzo 60 Pro 5G. It comes with adapter, charger, USB cable, case, quick guide in the box. As you see, I mentioned all the above. Please do not skip the video. Watch it fully and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please. And packing list comes Realme Narzo 60 Pro 5G, USB Type-C, 80W adapter, project case and SIM card needle, screen project film, quick guide as I allotted with warranty card extending up to 1 year I think so, and processor with Dimensity 70505G chipset, and the unique feature is 1 TB storage which can never be ended, and next gen process of 120Hz curved display, and it comes with 6.7 AMOLED display and instant fingerprint scanner of the middle of the phone, and front camera comes with 16 megapixel of selfie, that is called selfie camera, and next comes with the right side, that is power button and volume buttons, or you call volume rockers whatever, and downside we get SIM card tray, primary microphone and speaker grill, and same has upside. It comes with one speaker grill and secondary microphone. It is dual speakers. Plus point is that is I has a dual speakers. So moving to the next one. Please do not skip the video. Watch it fully and share as soon as possible. Please, and subscribe if you new are. Like, comment and share. And in the middle camera comes with 100 megapixel camera and side 2 macro, and move to the next one, that is has a 120Hz curved vision display. It comes with a curved with edges and 5000 mAh of battery. Next chipset, that is has a Dimensity 7050 chipset. You can see that octa core and up to 12 GB. Bye bye.